smells and flavors that stay in our memory and seem to delight us over and over with just remembering them. That's the case of the guava, agricultural product whose essence captives the senses. The guava, carefully cultivated, requires expert hands to look after its production, as well as a sense of belonging from the producer's perspective. To talk about Calvillo, a municipality of Aguascalientes, Mexico, necessarily implies referring to the production of guava. Calvillo's guavas, as well as those from their surroundings, historically recognized for their high quality, are a national reference in production and distribution for national and international customers. Pioneers in several production-related aspects, Calvillo's guavas producers attended the necessity to modify and to improve the old antique models of production and distribution. They decided to joint and generated a trading model appropriate to the needs of a dynamic, changing, and competitive market. This is how Frucasa was born in 1992. Ours is the first enterprise in the country dedicated to the selection, packaging, and distribution of guava. It was created by a group of guava producers from Calvillo and the state of Zacatecas.
El hecho de que Frucasa cumpla 20 años es un gran logro para mí. Como socio fundador, hace 20 años esto era un sueño apenas. Ahorita, después de mucho esfuerzo, mucho trabajo, hemos consolidado ya una empresa seria, tanto en el mercado nacional como en el mercado de exportación, en relación a la guayaba.
Our plant, infrastructure, and production process satisfy the quality standards required for commercialization in the best markets. We are a world-class leader enterprise. That is why now that we celebrate our 20th anniversary, we invite you to join us to discover all the phases that precede the delivery of our product to the final customer. Huajucar Valley, whose natural agronomic conditions favor the farming of guava, is practically surrounded by orchards of fertile land. Traditional producing methods were based on empirical techniques with no use of technology for the development of the crop. That situation has changed since all the providing orchards of Frucasa employ good agricultural practices, as well as being registered in the exportation program. With all of that, we ensure that our guavas fulfill the fundamental requirement of providing fruit with the best handling and distribution conditions. Once guavas have been cut down, the crates are transported and they arrive to the packaging plant. The following stage in the process comprehends several activities. First, the guavas enter the reception area under optimal handling conditions. This is a quarantine zone in which the product is received. This reception complies the official norm of mobilization. Additionally, the crates are weighted and inspected. The information is registered in order to generate a number of lot, which is used in all the selection stages. Then, each lot goes to the pre-cooling system and is temporarily stored in a cold storage chamber with controlled climate. Lots, previously identified according with the orchard's producer and with the order in which they enter the plant, are taken to the corresponding selection line. There, the essential classification is performed according with the markets that we attend. These are the national market, the export market, and supplying for the industry. Pre-selection is done manually, and it constitutes the first filter to choose quality guavas. Later, guavas are transported through strips. Automation in the selection process is achieved due to the existence of an optical reader in each line of selection that classifies guavas based on their size and color. Finally, our personnel supervises the filling, weighting, and closing for the several presentations crates with the guavas already classified. Afterwards, the crates are sent to the packaging area. During this phase, crates are weighted and the content must be precise. The following step is individual crate labeling. Then, the crates are covered with their corresponding lids and separated in blank platforms for each market. Once the blanked platforms are complete, labels of traceability with barcodes are placed on the crates. After that, lots are carefully stored in cold storage chambers until the moment of being transported to their destination. Lots are transported to the client's location by using climate-controlled storage trailers, in a way that our products keep all their benefits and characteristics. With that, all the phases in our production line are covered. In addition to the basic operation of guava packaging, we follow the same production process during certain seasons for the production of tomato
para
and
duraznos y tomate.
Afortunadamente tenemos una serie de proveedores que cumplen 100% con los requisitos que nosotros les exigimos. Eso nos ayuda muchísimo para poder eficientar nuestro proceso.
Frucasa es una empresa que nos apoya a los productores, nos da buen trato y uno trata de corresponder produciendo calidad.
Frucasa is a leader enterprise that has founded the essential basis for guava marketing. We are the first Mexican enterprise that exports fresh guava to the United States. That is, guava in natural state, without being processed or frozen, since our working method complies with the norms and requirements designed both by Mexican and American authorities. Frucasa also owns an export packaging certification conceded by the National Service of Health, Innocuousness, and Agri-Food Quality.
Nosotros cumplimos ya 20 años de estar apartando y comercializando guayabas. Bueno, y no nada más guayabas, otras frutas, por ejemplo el durazno, jitomates, Y si no fuera por nuestra gente orgullosa de Calvillo que se esmera por tratar bien al producto, realmente Frucasa no sería lo que es actualmente.
With all previously said, Frucasa is nowadays an enterprise committed to offer an optimum level of quality in the production, packaging, and distribution of guava and other fruits that places its highest quality standards in service to the client, and with a growing capacity that is reflected in our working processes. With Frucasa, you are certain of receiving the best guavas in the market.